On an average day, over 70,000 aircrews move 5.5 million travelers and cargo around the globe. Since 1947, CAE has, for its civil aviation and military clients, become a world leader in flight simulation technologies and training solutions. Today, air travel is the fastest way to beat time and distance. And most of us fly comfortable in the expectation that if things do go wrong, the pilots up front are trained for the unlikely, to act safely and efficiently in the face of any problem. Flight crews today, both civil and military, operate in a three-dimensional, regulated environment that is ever more crowded. It's a world where training is critical and constant, and as the world's high-technology simulation and training leader, CAE is helping to make our skies safer. Over 700 CAE simulators and training devices have been delivered in more than 40 countries, some even before a new plane's maiden flight. The people who make them are among the world's most talented and dedicated. With some of the simulators running up to 22 hours a day, these employees' goals are reliability and absolute accuracy.
All the data that we collect from the real aircraft, what we do is we redo the same test on our simulators, and they have to match. So this thing has to be bang on.
We test it in here. The customer usually comes in-house, and then we go to the field and install the simulator, and we're pretty much there until the end, until it gets certified. It's very gratifying and satisfying.
Satisfied with that kind of commitment are 110 airline, aircraft manufacturing, and training center clients. They're here because they know the technologies they're getting are at the industry's cutting edge. But at CAE's Business Aviation Training Center in Dallas, the largest of its kind in the world, customer satisfaction moves beyond simulation products into a total flight training solution.
They want the one-on-one attention, whether that's from customer service all the way up to the instructors, and then providing it, in an environment that's world-class. And once you build that relationship with them, you get to really know who they are and what their company is like, then they'll share with you what they are looking for.
CAE offers training to airlines, aircraft operators, and manufacturers around the globe. From aviation to maintenance to crew training services, thousands are learning from top instructors in the more than 20 facilities that encompass CAE's global training network.
We have a large number of extremely active pilots. I'm one, for example, but I think what that does is it brings in the real world back into simulator training. These things change. There's new navigation, there's new systems, there's new airspace regulations that are happening daily. And by training on a regular basis, we tend to stay up with those better. And by doing that, it makes us a safer and better pilot.
What's new in the skies of civil aviation is critical to passenger safety. However, in the world of military aviation, the skies and the land beneath present dangerous challenges and demand extraordinary training.
You can pretty much do anything you want in an environment that very accurately replicates what you're going to see in the real world. We can do it 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, where you can't necessarily do that in an aircraft because of weather or conditions or operational commitment.
The intensive courses cover maintenance and operating procedures, plus tactical land training. In fact, CAE is the premier supplier of military simulation products and training to the defense forces of more than 30 nations.
We're at the cutting edge of designing some of the most advanced mission rehearsal systems for elite units such as the U.S. Army Special Operations Forces. And we take that technology and then extend it across the whole division to all our military customers, with the end goal being prepare them for battle and bring them home safely.
Bringing them home safely is perhaps the most basic mission for all of CAE's 5,000 employees worldwide. They are continually seeking new ways to enhance our products and services through innovations that lead the industry and set new standards for safety and efficiency. Leading-edge solutions, designed and delivered by passionate people. For CAE's clients, that's a winning combination.